Hello! In today's video, we'll learn the OI sound. The letters O and I are vowels, and together they make the OI sound. So whenever you see O and I together in words, you say OI. To remember the OI sound, I like to add a fun Jolly Phonics action to it. Let's pretend that we are sailors. And let's pretend that we are calling to each other from another boat and say, "Oi, oi, ship ahoy." Your turn. "Oi, oi, ship ahoy." Great job. Look at the sailors in this picture. They look as though they're having fun, saying, "Oi, oi, ship ahoy." Let's practice reading the OI sound in words. S, oil, oil, soil, oil, 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 boil, oin, coin, coin, oin, join, join, void, 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 oil, foil, foil. Kids, practice reading the OI in words and you will soon be reading well. This was such a fun video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in another video. I love you.